Today, I'll show you how to enable and disable connection monitoring on FC25. So this basically shows the ping during online matches and also the connection on online matches. So you can enable and disable these settings from the game setting. So launch the game and select the settings icon in the upper left corner. Then select settings and choose game settings. Now within the game settings, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to visual. And within the visual settings, scroll down and find connection monitoring. So by default it's turned off. So to enable it, you can either choose to show the ping only, or if you want, you can choose the connection indicators only, or if you want, you can enable ping and connection indicators, both of them. So once enabled, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. So whenever you launch an online match, once you launch an online match, you can now see the connection indicator here, and you can see the ping on the far right corner. And that's basically how to enable this feature on FC25. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.